it's Miss Madeline. Welcome to the math class. Today we're going to work on lesson number 5 of chapter 12. So please open up your books on page 765. Now, on your book, you are going to connect the dots in order to find which shape is in your book, okay? So you're going to start with number 1, then you go all the way to number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now, which is the shape that you draw? It's a cube, so you need to write cube on the line. Next page. Now, you can describe three-dimensional shapes by the number of faces, edges, and vertices. What is a face? Is a flat surface. What is an edge? Is where two faces meet. A vertex is where three or more faces meet. Now, let's look at number 1. Use three-dimensional shapes. Count the shapes, edges, and vertices. Number 1, a cube has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number 2, rectangular prism. It has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number 3, a pyramid has 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices. And spheres do not have faces or edges or vertices. They have 0, 0, and 0. Next page. Circle the shapes that match the description. Number 5. 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices is the first one, which is a sphere. Number 6. 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices is the first one and the last one, the rectangular prism and the cube. Number 7, 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices is the pyramid. Number 8, 6 equal faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices is the cube. Now, circle the objects that match the description. Number 9, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices is the first one, which is a gift, a box, and the third one, which is a cube. Number 10, 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices is the ball, the basketball, and the orange. Why? Because spheres do not have faces, edges, or vertices. Number 11, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number 11 is the second one, okay? Remember that shapes that have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices are the rectangular prism and the cube. Number 12, 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices is the last one, which is a pyramid. Number 13. Mindy drew 3 shapes below. Circle the shape that has 6 faces and 12 edges is the third one. Number 14. Ryan has a poster. The poster shows all of the shapes that have less than 3 faces. Circle the shape that is not on the poster. The answer is the last one. Why? Because remember that cubes have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Number odd problem. Remember that Miss Madeline always gives you the answer. Which shape does not belong? Circle it. Explain why it does not belong. So that figure or shape that does not belong is the second one, because all of the other figures have curved faces, okay? So copy the answer. Curved faces means curveado, algo que es redondo. Okay, next page, my homework. Circle the shapes that or objects that matches the description. Number 1, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The first one and the last one. Remember, the shapes that have 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices is the cube and the rectangular prism. Number 2, 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices is the last one, the sphere. Number 3, 5 faces, 8 edges, and 5 vertices is the pyramid. So the first one is and the last one. Number 4, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Remember, objects that have the shape of a cube or a rectangular prism have 6 faces, always, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Next page. Circle the objects that match the descriptions. Number 5, 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Remember, rectangular prism, so the third one is the answer. Number 6, 0 faces, 0 edges, and 0 vertices is the watermelon. Okay, number 7, I am a three-dimensional shape. I have 5 faces, I have 8 edges, and 5 vertices. What am I? I am a pyramid, so you have to circle the second one. Complete each sentence. Number 8, a face is a flat surface. Number 9, a vertex is where 3 or more faces meet. Number 10, an edge is where 2 faces meet. Okay, so this is lesson number 5, and we are finished with this lesson. Bye.